Just as traditional automotive giants like Hyundai and GM, with their expertise in engine technology, were overtaken by Tesla, I believe a similar transformation will occur in the aviation industry. The future is shifting towards urban air mobility and personal air vehicles. Much like YouTube revolutionized broadcasting, this industry shift will create opportunities for startups. Building on our expertise in aircraft structural frames, we are also independently developing UIM and PAVs and continuously filing patents to validate our technological capabilities.